Today we're going to talk about the red car lift of death and what it is. I'm Stephen and welcome to my channel. What is the red car lift of death? If you've owned an E90 or later BMW, you will have probably seen the red car lift of death. And it's not a nice feeling when you turn on your engine and that appears. You stop that. It's quite scary and it looks like the world is ending, the engine is blowing up, the oil is gone, but if you check, you'll find that none of those things have actually occurred, that it's something usually far more benign. So today we'll have a look at the problem I had recently and then go through a full list of the issues. Okay, we're in the car, start her up, and bing, the red car lift of death. So to find out what it means, go to your stalk, go 2 on the up, press once in, there it is, and now press and hold for about 2 seconds. And we should get our ID number, and from that we'll be able to look up a rather extensive list later on. This one is number 71. Now, I just replaced the brakes a couple of months ago, so it is very unlikely that the brakes are worn out, but we'll have a look. Let's get our camera in there. Further in, and there's our brake pad sensor, and it is not looking like it is supposed to. Something has taken it out. So, here we go. Have the full list. Enjoy. See which ones you like the best. I'll see you at the end of the list. Well, I hope that list has helped you out in some way. It's a starting point to diagnosing the issue that your BMW has. And thank you for watching the first ever video from my channel. If you want to see more, you know what to do. Till next time.